A good bathroom exhaust fan keeps your space fresh, dry, and mold-free. Whether you're renovating or upgrading, the best bathroom exhaust fans offer quiet operation, strong airflow, and smart features that improve air quality and comfort. In this guide, we highlight the top picks to help you choose the perfect fan for your home. Starting at number 1, Broan-NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The Broan-NuTone Bathroom Exhaust fan with LED light is an Energy Star certified solution designed to reduce moisture and odors while saving up to 50% more energy than standard fans. Delivering 60 CFM of efficient ventilation for bathrooms up to 45 FT, it operates at an ultra-quiet 0.9 zones, just enough to know it's running without disrupting your peace. Its no-cut room-side installation makes it perfect for easy retrofits, even when attic access isn't available. The slide clip mounting system allows fast attachment of the modern clean cover grill for a sleek, floating look and effortless cleaning. With built-in LED lighting and a simple ceiling mount design, this exhaust fan enhances both air quality and style in any small bathroom. Number 2, Tech Drive. Very quiet 70 CFM. The Tech Drive. Very quiet bathroom exhaust fan delivers strong ventilation at 70 CFM while maintaining a low noise level of just 2.0 zones, making it ideal for bathrooms up to 75 skios. FT. It features an integrated 11-watt LED light that provides bright 600 lumen, 4000K illumination through a clean, modern grille. Designed for easy installation, the fan fits into most existing 7.5 x 7.25 ceiling openings without the need for cutting, though its 6-inch housing height may require deeper ceiling space when replacing older, shorter units. Built with durable metal housing, a reliable motor rated for at least 25,000 hours of use, and a 3-inch duct connection, it ensures efficient airflow and dependable performance. UL and HVI certified, it is also safe for use over bathtubs or showers when connected to a GFCI protected circuit. Number 3, Homewerks 7141 Bathroom Fan. The Homewerks 7141 50 bathroom exhaust fan combines whisper quiet performance with modern design, making it an excellent choice for small bathrooms up to 50 FT. Operating at just 0.7 zones, it removes moisture, humidity, and harsh odors efficiently while maintaining a peaceful environment. Built with a corrosion-resistant galvanized steel housing and a stylish 13-inch round grille, it also features a bright 4000K cool white integrated LED light for added convenience. Its no-cut ceiling mount design fits standard openings for easy installation, using a 4-inch round duct for proper ventilation. With reliable performance, a durable AC motor, and trusted Homewerks quality backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this fan is a dependable upgrade for improving bathroom air quality and comfort. Number 4, Broan-NuTone AE110LK Exhaust Fan. The Broan-NuTone AE110LK Bathroom Exhaust fan with light delivers powerful and energy-efficient ventilation for bathrooms up to 105 FT. Operating at 110 CFM with a quiet 1.0 zone rating. Energy Star certified, it efficiently removes humidity and odors while maintaining a comfortable environment. Its room-side installation design allows for quick, hassle-free setup without attic access, making it ideal for both new installations and replacements. Equipped with True Seal damper technology, the fan reduces air leakage by up to 50%, improving overall home performance and preventing unwanted drafts. The modern clean cover grille blends seamlessly with the ceiling, and the integrated LED lighting adds bright, efficient illumination. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this exhaust fan offers reliable performance and long-lasting comfort. Number 5, OREiN Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The OREiN Bathroom Exhaust Fan with light delivers powerful 110 CFM airflow to quickly remove steam, humidity, and odors from bathrooms or medium-sized spaces up to 100 to 125 FT. Operating at a quiet 2.0 zones, it keeps the room fresh without disturbing noise. The built-in 1500 lumen LED light offers 3 selectable color temperatures: 3000K warm, 4000K neutral, and 5000K daylight, plus a soft 2200K nightlight for gentle illumination during late-night visits. Designed for easy installation, it includes a fast mounting bracket and fits an 8.11 mm 748 ceiling cut out with a standard 4-bar duct outlet. ETL and FCC certified, the fan features a durable motor and long-lasting, energy-efficient LED lighting. With its clean, modern design, this fan light combo provides a sleek upgrade for any bathroom while saving ceiling space and simplifying wiring.